Hi guys, if your iPhone screen is not responding to touch, don't worry. This issue looks serious, but in many cases, it is just a temporary problem and can be fixed easily. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix iPhone touchscreen not working step by step. Before we start, one important thing. If your screen is physically damaged or cracked, this may be a hardware issue. But if everything looks fine, then it's usually a software problem and you can fix it yourself. The first method is force restart your iPhone. This is the most effective fix. Even if your screen is not working, this method still works because it doesn't need touch. For iPhone 8 and newer, press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Release it when you see the Apple logo. This resets background processes and often fixes the issue instantly. The second method is cleaning your screen. Sometimes the screen is not responding because of dust, water, or oil. Your touchscreen works using electrical signals, and if something blocks it, your touches won't register. To fix this, turn off your iPhone. Use a soft microfiber cloth. Gently clean the screen. Avoid using too much liquid. After cleaning, try using the screen again. The third method is removing screen protector or case. If you're using a thick screen protector or a case touching the screen, it can block touch input. Remove both and test the screen. If it starts working, that was the issue. The fourth method is checking problematic apps. If the touchscreen is not working only in one app, then the problem is not your screen, it's the app. In that case, uninstall the app and reinstall it again. The fifth method is updating your iPhone. Sometimes bugs in iOS can cause touchscreen issues. Go to Settings and then tap on General and tap on Software Update. Install any available update. Updates often fix these kinds of problems. The sixth method is resetting your iPhone settings. If the issue is still not fixed, you can reset all settings. Go to Settings and then General, scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on the Reset and then reset all settings. This will not delete your data, but it will reset system settings. If the problem still continues, the final step is factory reset. This will erase everything and set your iPhone like new. So make sure you take a backup before doing this. And if nothing works after that, then it's most likely a hardware issue. In that case, you should visit an Apple service center. Quick recap. To fix iPhone touchscreen not working, force restart your iPhone, clean the screen properly, remove screen protector or case, uninstall problematic apps, update iOS, reset settings or factory reset. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments what exactly is happening with your screen. I'll help you fix it.